Hey, let me show you what you can do if your smartphone is not detecting Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and you've got some kind of the connection issues. Okay, so first of all, I will start from resetting this device. So you will have to just click and hold home button and the down button when the screen turns on. Now click and hold at the same time on the both buttons simultaneously and keep holding all the time until the device turns off, and then when the recovery mode, the Samsung logo pops. Now release and quickly double tap on the home button. Now as you can see, we are in this reboot mode. So what we have to do is just to click once on the home button to scroll down, and now click and hold it to enter for the recovery mode. Just wait for like 10 or 15 seconds until the recovery mode pops up. Right now you will have to scroll just over here by using your finger like so, and we have to select the hard reset, actually the factory reset. So now you will have to swipe into the left side to make it. Now scroll to the factory data reset and scroll to the left side to perform this factory data reset. It's gonna remove all of those things from your watch, and now you can just slide to the left side to reboot system now and just wait until the device turns on. Right now on your phone, I will recommend you to close the Galaxy Wearable application. Now go to the settings, open your Bluetooth, simply make that switcher to turn off and then turn on. Just a simple solution. And now go to the Galaxy Wearable application. There we go. Now just didn't press start until we set language and region. Now we have to go another time for the setup process. So select your language and then you will have to select your region and wait until the device reboot. Okay, so right now when the device turns on back and you got this screen, go to the application and click on the start button. And now as you can see, you should get this device visible over here. So now just select Galaxy Watch 8 from available devices list. And as you can see, in my case, everything is fine, it's working. But what you can do if it still doesn't work, you don't have this pairing request, you don't have this code. So I will actually start from removing the Galaxy Wearable application from your phone. So go into the Google Play Store and simply uninstall this Galaxy Wearable application, or check if you maybe don't have some updates, because when the application is updated, sometimes you can actually get those kind of the connection issue. And right now you will have to install this application back. And after the install will be complete, you will have to reboot your device. So just simply power off your phone and then turn it on back. Now open Galaxy Wearable application one more time. Try to go through all of those steps, accept all of those permissions, and basically try to connect one more time. If it is still not working, I will recommend you to perform the reset of your network settings on the phone. So we have to go to the settings, and now in the search bar, input that phrase, reset, and you have to search for reset options, network apps or device can be reset. So find something like this on your phone. It may actually look a little bit different, depends on your phone model, but go here and make sure that you have reset the Wi-Fi, mobile and the Bluetooth settings. You don't have to erase your eSIM, just simply do this. And after that, just simply go to the application one more time and try to scan again. If it still doesn't work, you can try to reboot your watch by clicking and holding this power key, and you can simply try to connect one more time. And this is, all tips that I can give you when you have this kind of the issue. If nothing is working, then I will highly recommend you to send this device for warranty